Hey everybody, Dennis Alexander here with Dent Baron. You know how random dents appear on your vehicle? Well, we are the company that removes those dents so you don't have to live with them anymore. Prime example what we have here is a Chevrolet Trax hail damaged vehicle. Random hailstorm, random dents. We're going to show you an exclusive how we get access to the backside of a fender, how we repair it, and with the tools we use. Thanks for watching. So the first step in the repair process is to get our special lighting up to the panel and evaluate the damage. This special lighting allows us to see each and every dent that may otherwise be missed outside in broad daylight. Second thing we do in the repair process is evaluate access to the back side of the panel. And we popped the hood and we found several spots we can use to get access to the back side of the panel. Once we do that, before we start the actual repair, we always spray the panel down with an anti-static polish cleaner, and we use a microfiber towel to remove any dust or debris on the panel. So once we begin the actual removing of the dent, we select a specific tool for each dent, and we must make precise pushes in the center of the dent, working it until the damage is completely gone. The wrong move can cause irreversible damage to the panel. Then it needs to be sent to the body shop where you have to completely repaint the entire panel. That's why it's important to have a professional. So we use our special blending hammer to knock down any slight high spots and remove the damage to its pre-loss condition. Once the technician has repaired the panel, it is dent free, and the great thing is you've maintained the factory finish of the vehicle, which is the superior finish any vehicle can have. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.